Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HTC Desire 6 to 8 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So basically we have to enter the settings first, and now let's scroll down to find Backup and Reset option, which should be in the personal section. So let's enter, and as you can see on the very first position we've got the Backup account option. We can either set up the HTC or Google account. So let's tap on it and pick Google account. Here you will have to enter the pattern pin or password, of course, if you've got one currently set, in order to confirm everything. And be aware that you really have to have the internet connection. So it doesn't really matter, you can use the mobile data or the Wi-Fi connection. So from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And here I wanted to say that you do not have to enter the whole email address. You can simply put the first part of it before the @ symbol, and after confirming it, tapping on next, your device will simply fill the rest, as you can see right here. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy policy. And of course, if you want to, you can tap on it and you will receive much more info and you will be able to read about it. So after reading, simply tap on I agree. And here we've got the information about the backup. So your device will back up apps and apps data, call history, also contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, if you want to, you can simply tap on learn more and you will receive more info. And as you can see, we just got back to the backup and reset section. Here we've got the backup account added, of course, which we've just added. Here you've got some options also connected to the restore. So here we've got the automatic restore, and this option is probably defaultly turned on. So it means that when you will reinstall an app, then your device will simply restore all the data and settings and customization. Of course, you can turn off this option just by tapping on this switcher, and in order to for sure have the backup of your data, make sure that it is this switcher is on this on position. So if you've got it turned off, just tap on it and everything will be fine. So actually this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your HTC Desire 6 to 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.